I am the tribe leader of my gifted oilers and the leader of Young Living Singapore. Today I'm going to show you the raindrop technique and explain to you some of the oils that we use in the raindrop technique on children, and later I'll do a demonstration on my 18-month. Alright? Okay, the raindrop technique oil consists of 9 essential oils as well as 2 massage oil. One of them is the V6 and the other one is the Auto Ease massage oil. For the sake of using it for children, we do not need to use the Auto Ease massage oil. Okay? The 9 oils in the Raindrop Technique Kit. In this kit, right, all the oils are in 5 ml. But for my own personal kit, in my own essential oil pouch, I have the oils in 15 ml. Okay. The first oil is either Valor 2 or Valor. Okay. Next, it's oregano, followed by thyme, basil, cypress, wintergreen, marjoram, peppermint, and aroma seeds. Okay, what you need to do, right, is just get your oils out and arrange the essential oils in this order. Either Valor or Valor 2, oregano, thyme, basil, cypress, wintergreen, marjoram, peppermint, and then aroma seeds. Okay, we arrange the oils in this order. For kids as young as probably like 6 months old, and if you want to use the raindrop oils on your kid, apply on the base of their feet. So from 12 months onwards, which is what I have done, I've used the raindrop oils on the spine of my child. Later on, I will do a demonstration on the toddler, and I'm going to show you how you can use the oils on the child itself. So without further ado, let me bring the toddler in. So the first oil, this is a bonus oil which I didn't share just now because it's not part of the Raindrop Technique Kit. It's White Angelica. So White Angelica is very good for people. So if you're applying on your child or your loved ones, you can just apply White Angelica around yourself to give yourself a protective barrier, because if you're applying for a child who is very cranky or who's unwell, there is some sort of negative energy and you want to protect yourself before giving the raindrop to the receiver. Okay, so this is Evelyn. Say hi, Evelyn. Hello, everybody. Say hello. Say hello. Okay, she is 18 months and she has been receiving raindrops since she was 6 months. Where's my oil? So what I usually do for a child below 12 months is I will swipe the bottle and then apply on the base of the feet. But for her, she's after 12 months old, I really started applying on the spine and she really likes it. And for parents, whether you're a mom or a dad, it's actually a very good bonding session because there's a lot of touch and then there's a lot of aroma to support the baby and for you to connect with the child at the same time. Okay, power of touch. So what we do first is I will lift up her shirt, right? Okay. Oh, okay. Going to do this. Hello. Hello. Okay, I'm going to start with the first oil, Valor. And then, if your child can't stay still, you have to do it fast, okay? But for the sake of demo, she's really very good and she's really been using the oil since 12 months. So she's really enjoying it. Yeah, so I will apply it on the shoulder. Valor, I'll just apply it on the shoulder. And then, because the raindrop oils are really hot and spicy, so we'll always do a layer of V6 on the spine first. Let me see the... Okay, let me move her. Okay, she will lay down and... Okay? Yeah, so we'll do a layer of V6. Okay. And then we have the first oil. Where's my first oil? Oregano. Okay, you don't need a 1 drop. You just need a bit and then just apply on the spine. Because she really likes it, so usually I will touch her more often. And then thyme. Just a bit on your fingertip. Okay, and then basil. It's actually very fast. Just apply directly on the spine. And then also check in there, 有没有辣辣？有啊，哪里辣辣？ So you just check, see whether there are any red spots or if she's complaining. Right now she's just being, cheeky about it. If she's complaining, you put more V6 on the part that's red. Okay? So we have basil, citrus, okay, wintergreen. There's a lot of controversy about wintergreen, whether you should or shouldn't put wintergreen. This is really entirely up to you as a parent. If you're uncomfortable with the oil, just don't put it, okay? Then we have marjoram. Okay. And then, again, peppermint is also an oil that a lot of parents have concern with. If you are not comfortable using peppermint, you can change it with spearmint or change it to copaiba. Okay, so there are always alternatives really for us. But for her, she's been receiving the Raindrop on her spine since she was 12 months. So I know she's totally fine with all the oils. See, she's totally enjoying it, right? And then the last one, aroma seeds. Sometimes I just not use it at all because aroma seeds is an oil for muscle knots and things like that. But for kid, the muscle, they don't really have much muscle knots, so it's not an issue. And then after we end, so I don't end up with aroma seeds, I also end up again with Valor. So you can either apply, hello, okay, so just end up with Valor. And check again if she's uncomfortable. Right now you can clearly see that she's very happy and cheerful and chirpy. No issue, no itch or no pain from the spiciness of the oil. So we're done. Okay? If she is having any sort of discomfort, we'll just put more V6 and then apply on it. So she will have a very oily back right now, and you tell her, "Howla." Okay? So this is a very quick way to do a raindrop on the back. Let me do a demonstration for you on the feet. 坐起来，坐起来，坐起来啊！衣服，衣服。Same thing for the feet. You just need to apply the oils one by one on the base of the feet. What you need to do is one drop, apply on both feet. Or sometimes if you want, you can have her rub the feet together. Okay, so again, like oregano. Okay, put a bit on the feet. Teach her not to touch the oils and just rub the feet together. Okay, time. Basil. So I encourage you to label your oils or put them in a pouch so that it's easy to use. But sometimes it's like chaos and then we need to do it quick for the kids. So where's my cypress? Cypress! So you see, she learns how to keep the oils as well. So it's really a very good oil bonding session with your child. Wintergreen. So the oils are really spicy. Avoid your kid from touching the oil. Marjoram. Same sequence, whether you're putting on the feet or on the spine. If your child needs more support, I would encourage you to just apply on the spine. And then the last one, okay, peppermint. And then we are done. So I hope this is a very quick and easy demo to show you how you can apply the raindrop oils on your child and also at the same time spend time to bond and touch your child. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you have found it useful and enjoy the Raindrop Kit journey. Bye bye!